Guys, I'm on fire. Oh my god. Roxy. Roxy. Down. Hi guys, good morning. I know I look like a mess, but it's okay. It's morning and it's very cold and I don't really take care of myself this morning. I just went up. I get up like 8 o'clock and call a cab to drop my mother-in-law to dialysis. And yeah, good morning guys. And I have a very nice good morning. I just received the contract for buying a house. I received a letter from something. It's a card. Hold on guys, hold on. Let's see. They offer me something. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. But thank you for offering me Visa, a Capital One Bank. Yes, they offer me a lot of cards, but you know what? I have a card. One is enough. I don't even use it often. But anyway, guys, that's it. And I'm so happy. My son is staring at me like, Mama is nuts. Mama is talking by herself alone. There's no one in there. She just talk. Yes, thank goodness. High five, guys. With a kiss. Yes. I am going to I think I'm gonna bring the phone. I'm going to the basement to get some turkey that we boiled for our dogs. Take it out from the freezer that it will defrost until tomorrow morning that we have something, for their food. And it's very cold out here. And oh, I just did. I forgot. Look at that, guys. Oh, I forgot to shut the light off, the water off. Anyway, guys. Oh, anyway, you know what happened this morning, guys? Uh, oh shucks. When I'm ready to go out to drop my mother-in-law to dialysis, I look for my house key. I can't find it. I don't know where that go. I have a problem now. That's a problem. I don't know if I drop it or what. The last time I used it is uh when I came home from oh shit. When I came home from Queens with my friend. Right now, guys, I am watching That's Heart TV. Her vlog. She have a vlog smash, the one right now. So I'm watching. I'm following a lot of YouTubers, and yeah, That's Heart is one of them. One of those people. Number one that I really like to follow. I mean, I really like to watch first is It's Judy's Life. Yeah, that's and then Ali. A lot of them. It's just too many. But anyway, that's it guys. Let me open the package right now. Hi guys, my friend is here. Hold on now. Yeah, she's right here. It's raining. It's raining. Hi Wayne, how are you? Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm vlogging. Okay, give me a kiss. Kumusta naman?
Hello!
It's windy again. We're going to where?
I'm kidnapping MaryAnn. We're going to the Philippines!
Eating buwad. Okay. Traffic na?
Traffic na.
So good na di eh.
Asa man tada? Ikaw guide.
Okay.
Let's guide. Asa ta? Left, right?
Left. Okay guys, we're going. We're gonna get something for dinner.
We're going to buy some blood because we're thirsty.
Mm-hmm.
It's full moon tonight.
Is it full moon? Oh my god, it's witch is coming out tonight.
Yeah, MaryAnn is one of them.
Are you serious? Bye-bye, guys. Hi, guys. This is our dinner. Humba,
Made by
chicken
MaryAnn.
marsala, giant string beans. Ang sana siya? Stir fry, right? And then okra.
Workers.
And then rush. That's it, guys. And that's Windy right there. Hi, Windy. Enjoy, Win. Hi, guys. I am done with my Christmas tree. I put the star up already. Yeah. Look at this cat. And you can see it. But yeah. Look at my tree. It's finally done. It's just very simple tree. Guys, I'm on fire. Oh my god. It's like while I'm sitting here, guys. While I'm sitting here. Oh my god, did you see that? Okay, I just make sure that's open in there that the get out. Anyway, while I'm sitting here, and then suddenly the fire broke, and it's like scares me crazy. But it's very cold outside. That's why I turned the fire on. But look, I will show you something. I will plug this in, and hold on, guys. Let me plug this in. Let me plug this. Oh shit. Look at that, very Christmassy. It's very Christmassy right now. And the Christmas light over there, and the fireplace is on, and the light is on. And this one, I think this one will on also. Hold on, guys. I'll show to you. Hold on. I don't even know where is the power. Look, it's not really that bright, but yes, there's light in there. As you can see. Yeah. And I can do this light so I can change it. I can change it to that one. It's steady. We have a light also, guys. I'll show you also. We have my husband put this light 3 years ago. I think 2 years ago. 3 years ago, I think. I'll show you something. Look. Yeah. So there's light everywhere. Look. Yeah, guys. Look at my son. He's just looking at the lights right now. Right? Oh, this is Dimples, the girl, my little girl. Hi, Dimple Lodge. Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat, no, baby? Give mama a kiss, baby. Give mama a kiss, baby. Give mama a kiss, no, baby. I love you. And my son is right there. Hi, son. Hi, Hops. Hi, guys. It's movie time. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I think this video today is very short. From yesterday also it's very short, so I think I will put this video tomorrow's video and today's video. So thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.